what's up, G-Bays? We just left the new spot we put y'all on to last time. We just got our food. We on our way to the car right now.
I just got the 3 tacos and 1 chorizo, 1 chicken, 1 steak. So you got a nacho.
Yep. So, and last time I got some chicken tenders and fries.
From a fucking
From
taco
a,
spot.
and it was good, actually, coming from some Mexicanos. And baby had 3 tacos. One was chicken, one was steak, and one was al pastor.
I had two last time. 1 al pastor and 1 steak.
I thought you had chicken. I thought you had 3.
I don't even know, y'all.
I could have sworn it was 3.
I did have 3. I had 2 steak and 1 el pastor.
But yeah, that was that.
And so you got the el pastor and nacho.
Yep. So, like I told y'all, we on our way walking to the car. So, we gonna tap back in with y'all when we finna eat. All right. Probably not.
Take a look.
Feds? Jesus Christ, Lynette. Do you know what would happen if Robert came home and heard you say that? Throw me out and I'd be back dancing. And you know what Robert would do if he knew I had Dakota safe? It'd be so bad.
But you see how you got it and you can do it?
Throw me out of here so fast. 500. Take it or leave it. That's the best I can do. No, 500. No, I need the $3 grand. Why are you doing this to me right now? My car is here. You know what? It's fine. I'm gonna work it out. It's all fine. I'm just being crazy, right? He still likes me. Okay, what do you want to do? I want to drop you off somewhere? Just need a second. Let me see here for a minute. That'd be great, actually, because I have a package on the way. Okay. And don't forget to double lock, okay?
I'm sorry, y'all. We back. And here's the nacho. And here's KG taco.
Chorizo, chicken, steak.
Let me see. Let me check a couple bucks for y'all. I ain't gonna lie. These lines ain't really too juicy, but let's see if I. That shit dope as fuck. Okay, hold on. Y'all asked for guacamole and pickles. But these motherfuckers, I didn't even ring us up for it. I told that man, never mind. Yeah. Definitely a 10 out of 10. But my nacho is loaded with, I gotta tell you something, queso cheese, beans, lettuce, sour cream, tomato, and that's it. Let's see if got some cataract. That shit fine. I don't know if I'm getting beans. I'm gonna take one more. We're gonna take a couple more bites for y'all. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. So you should definitely check out this video. And make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Turn in post notifications on so y'all know when we dropping bangers. We really hope that y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure y'all tell a friend, because y'all already know it's always a vibe over here. We all got emotional message.
We out this bitch.
We the fuck out.
Holla back.